could be a game changer in the treatment of some forms of mental health issues. Researchers in British Columbia are experimenting with the use of magic mushrooms to treat patients with depression and anxiety. As John Hernandez reports, the use of the psychedelic drug is having a profound effect on some people who are taking part in the experiment.
See the size?
It might be growing in dirt, but mushrooms like this could be the next frontier in mental health.
The study of psychedelic mushrooms is elevated now.
Numinous Bioscience in Vancouver is one of just a handful of companies with a government license to produce and study psilocybin. It's the psychedelic compound in magic mushrooms, and more people are using it as a way to treat mental illness.
I've always been interested in cutting-edge approaches, and certainly this is an area where I think this will become part of the mainstream treatment system for people with the common mental disorders.
Research suggests that psilocybin-assisted therapy can be an effective tool to treat depression and even tobacco addiction.
New connections get formed. People actually think about the world in different ways because the brain essentially has an opportunity to rewire itself during the psilocybin experience.
One of the problems I have, I'm hypersensitive to drugs.
Mona Streleff is one of just a few dozen Canadians who have received government approval to use it. She's a cancer survivor and for years suffered from crippling anxiety until the treatment last November.
My anxiety was basically gone. It just wasn't there. And to this day, I still feel at peace. I'm not afraid of death.
Tales like her are the reason labs like Numinous have emerged in hopes of making the drug more accessible. Here, they've created a psilocybin extract in the form of a pill. It's being tested in clinical trials.
It's very much a paradigm shift, and really, I think, the most exciting area in mental health and addiction right now.
A paradigm shift that could one day take these psychedelics to pharmacy shelves. John Hernandez, CBC News, Vancouver.